To prepare your XML file for your WordPress export, head over to WordPress, to the plugins section, add a new plugin, search for WP All Export. Then you will find the recommended plugin, which is WP All Export. Install and activate. This will be really quick. On the left-hand side in the menu, head over to the plugin, click on specific post type, choose posts, because that's what you will be exporting. Customize the export file, add all fields, so you are sure to have all the content. In export type, select feed, then simple XML feed, continue, confirm and run export. That's all you need to do. Click to download for XML, and that's it. Your file has been exported to your local drive.